Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to build some context here. But very impressive move on this one today. When you stop to think about the fact that the price gapped down and then actually dropped even lower, went all the way there, but then all of a sudden closed all the way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, that was a very impressive move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that's down there at $2.90. Now, why is $2.90 very helpful and important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to go down to $2.90, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything of that nature. But to be fair, no pricing just goes straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair-steps. Well, hey, now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $2.90. In terms of levels of resistance, public enemy number one, all about that pink line right there, which on my chart, you know, it's a very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, and you can see exactly why it's famous. That's right where the price started to struggle from at that level, and that's currently valued around $3.15. So keep an eye on that in the near term, but all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum moving forward? Let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.